striking it up for the Special Olympics. Beaufort County athletes took to the lanes today, taking part in this year's regional bowling tournament. The student athletes say they love knocking down pins and showing off their bowling skills.
I like bowling because fun, so much fun, I love it, and throwing balls, bunch of points, get toys, and amazing.
The best part is to enjoy the life and enjoying bowling, but there is one trick to always keep the wrist straight, be relaxed, and roll the ball down the middle arrow.
I like to act with people and get along with people and help people out.
You get to learn new techniques, and it's fun and awesome.
Because it's my favorite sport and it's the best.
Go Olympians!
Cheerleaders from several schools greeted the athletes as they entered Station 300 in Bluffton. Students from several schools involved in Project Unify and Best Buddies programs were also having fun assisting the athletes as they bowled.
It's just such a great environment, makes me feel good about everything, and the energy is just so high here, and all the people are here for good reasons, and I love it.
Fun interacting with everybody and just helping everybody out and this coming as one.
They get really happy when they accomplish something like this, and it's really in a natural environment, not in a stressful environment like school.
High school students from across the district, as well as middle schools north of the Broad Bowl today. Next Friday, all elementary schools and middle schools south of the Broad will compete in the tournament. In Bluffton, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.